Hey YouTube, what's up? It's Ty City here, episode 2. I'm glad to see you guys again. But I was searching the internet, right? The video is called Teen Werewolves. It's super gay. Of course I comment fake, and it's about these like... My sister's gay. But yeah, so I was sitting there and I was looking up gay videos. And I'm not even joking you. My computer must be messed up, because what popped up? Teen Wolves. I'm, like, not even kidding you. I looked up gay videos, and it popped up. And so I looked it up, or I looked at it. I like, took 2 seconds into the video, and I was like, fake. Enter. And so, I think you just gotta check it out, because if you think it's real, I will throw a hissy fit at you.